In this video, I'm reviewing Copy.ai. In specific, I'm teaching you how to write faster using this amazing tool. They have so much within this platform. So make sure to stick around to learn all of the writing techniques that they offer. Before we get started, make sure to go to the link in the description to claim your 7-day free trial of Copy.ai full access so you can test it for yourself after watching this review. So let's go and get started. So let's say that this is not a product that we're trying to sell. Let's say that we are writing about something. This is the main subject of the actual essay, okay? So let's say that we're writing about how to use digital marketing to generate sales, and then describe your product. Obviously, we're putting more information about the essay. So right here, we're going to put a few sentences.
Okay. You can use affiliates, influencers, content, and pay advertising to increase your sales fast. It's all about trying different methods in order to generate revenue from different streams.
So from this, the system will be able to get the information that it needs to generate an essay intro. Right here, we have the option to actually put a target audience, the occasion, the promotion. But for this example, I don't think it's too relevant. So let's go and click create. Right here, we have a solid essay opening. So
once you have a solid plan for how to sell your product, you'll want to gather metrics to see how successful your marketing is.
You can see it's like someone wrote it. It's just amazing, just from a few lines of text that we added in the beginning. So from this, we just click that we like it, and then we keep reading until we find something that we really resonate with. After that, what I recommend is that you start creating more and more from what you like. This way, the software will understand what you're actually looking for. So let's say that this one is resonating with us. We just click make more and wait for the system to create more essay intros from that specific piece of content. So right here, you see even more.
You want to know how to use digital marketing to generate sales for your business, etc.
Right here, you have,
I'm sure you have noticed that digital marketing has been making a lot of headlines lately.
So you can see, you can pause this video to read it yourself.
Interesting.
But this is just amazing, okay? So after you save it, and then you can view all of the intros that you generated right here. You can copy all, you can export as a CSV file, and you can also share it with your team or whatever you're trying to do here. And then you will see the actual project right here. So what I recommend, let's say that you're working on different projects, you have a business, you have a personal brand, and all of these, what I recommend is before you do anything, you go to actions and then create a new project. You put a name to the project, put a website, and then pick a tone to the project. So this way the platform has a little bit more of information of what you're looking for, and also it will be a little bit more organized, okay? So this way, when you go to the saved, you have all of your projects super organized right here. So for this one, we can put a name to it. So we can put essay intro, and then you start generating more and more. So this is only about essay intro, but you can see here you have so many tools within the platform.
Wow.
But obviously, we're not trying all of these on this video. You can try it yourself by signing up in the link below. You have 7 days free trial, full access to actually start using this amazing platform for your projects. So let's go and test the startup idea, for example, for the brainstorming tool. Let's say that you are passionate about X, Y, and Z. Let's say that you want to start a new business, a new YouTube channel, or whatever you're trying to do, okay? So let's go and paste this piece of information that I just wrote.
I like surfing and spending my time outside. I have experience working with large group of people and love to teach. I'm a good cook and enjoy sharing my recipe with my friends and family.
So this is super straight to the point. So let's go and click generate to see the startup ideas that the Copy.ai system will suggest. So right here we have
an online hub where people can learn how to cook, make recipes, and find information about different food cultures.
Then we have
a cooking platform where you can share recipes and meet new people.
Then, you have so much here. You can just make more and more until you find an idea that you actually resonate with. Then we have viral ideas. For example, let's say that you are creating content and you want to actually find something that's worth sharing, and you need ideas to create a piece of content. You can use this platform to actually generate it, okay? Also, on the personal tools, we have so much. As I told you, you have a love letter. Let's say you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, and you want to write something cute. Mother's Day, birthday cards.
What?
And Clubhouse bio. You have everything that you need, okay? Shower thoughts, cover letter, resume, bullet points. So let's do, for example, a birthday card, okay? So in the birthday card, let's do, who is this message for? My best friend, and then what are you grateful for? So right here, let's go and paste a few lines that I wrote.
You're always there whenever I have a question or problem. You support me on my crazy ideas. You like to go fishing with me.
So just an example for you to see the power of this platform, and then you click create, and then let's see the results from the personal tools, in specific the birthday cards. So right here we have a start. So let's say
you are a person not to be replaced. I'm asked to rate the happiness of my life if you were not part of it,
etc, etc. And then let's say that you like this one, then you put a heart to it and then make more and more and more, and you get some ideas to write the birthday message. Okay, so let's say that you have a friend that speaks Spanish and you want to actually give a message to them, but you want to write in English. This is not a translation, but this is an actual copywriting tool. You're not translating this, but you're inputting English and then you're getting Spanish as an output. Okay, you have a ton of languages here. So then you click create, and then you have a ton of messages in Spanish with the input that you put right here. The same thing as we did in English, you'll have in Spanish. And I can tell you, I speak both languages, and this is just spot on, okay?
Yo en el día más feliz de mi vida fue cuando,
etc, etc. You can edit this and then obviously make it your own. So it's just amazing. Well, you just saw the power of Copy.ai. The only thing left to do is to subscribe and try it for yourself. You have 7 days for free, full access. So go ahead, take advantage of these 7 days and start using it, okay? And then that is it for today. I will see you in the next one.